dkdynamics presents steam impulse turbine.
Hello friends, I am DK Sharma coming back with a new project for you. As you know the friends, nowadays the global problem is a waste management because the wastage increases day by day. Our city and our urban areas generate a large amount of the waste. This waste is organic as well as non-organic, and plastic, polythenes and many hydrocarbons. So it is a great challenging task for the engineers and for the environmentalists to manage this waste. Many countries making many models, and this is a global problem for sugar mills, rice mills and other industries which use the agriculture material as a raw material. For example, the wonderful example of the waste management in sugar industry is the Brazil. In Brazil, the large amount of the sugarcane production, and they also the global exporter of the sugar, because a huge amount of sugar is produced by Brazil. But another problem with the large production of the sugar is the bagasse. The bagasse is the remaining part of the sugar cane. After extracting the juice from the sugar cane, the large amount of the bagasse, which is a byproduct of the sugar cane, which is highly fibrous in nature, so they cannot be eaten by the animals, they are not used as a fodder, and they are not used as a fertilizer, because it contains large amount of the sugarcane juice, so that they decompose to spoil and generate the bad odor, and this is harmful for the environment and take the long time to decompose all these bagasse. So the engineers and some scientists try to make electricity by using this useless sugarcane byproduct. They just dry the bagasse or the waste of the sugarcane, dry and burn in a blast furnace. Blast furnace is a special type of the furnace which have the higher air blast is there, and the combustion is near to completion, so that it minimize the byproduct of the combustion. So in this way they are minimizing the gas exhausted from the combustion, and the large amount of heat is generated by the combustion of this bio-waste. It utilized in the boiling the water using the boilers, the highly efficient boilers, and boilers generate the steam, and the steam it utilize to rotate the turbines, and turbines generate the large amount of the electricity, and this electricity is used by the factory, and the excess electricity production is distributed in the rural areas and in the cities to generate the large amount of the revenue or the money. In this way we are just reducing the amount of the huge waste into the small volume. So I think we are coming back to the steam turbines. Now friends, I am introduced with my simple steam turbine. This is a double impulse steam turbine. You can make it easily by using some locally available components and some connections, and I am using this turbine, and this turbine have the blades and they have highly stabilized, and we are using the two nozzles, one at the lower part and another nozzle at the upper part. In this way we are generating the high torque and speed to generate large amount of the electricity, and this is a dynamo part which contains the dynamo to generate the AC power. When the steam is forced, the high pressurized steam is forced on both the sides of the turbine, it produces a large amount of the energy in the form of the AC electricity. For the boiler we are using the cooker. The cooker is a wonderful boiler, easily available in the kitchen. Just remove the whistle of the cooker and connecting this high density rubber polyester pipe, which is steam resistant, and connected with the cooker outlet, and using this cooker as a boiler, and using a furnace if you have the blast furnace, if you design the blast furnace, it is much better. Otherwise you are using a simple blower, using the blower which is easily available in the market, the manual blower as well as the electric blower, to make the blast furnace. And using the bio-based such as the leaves and other waste which is collected around the city and around your campus, and just burn them with a hot blast and generate the electricity. So that we are coming back to the steam turbines to generate the electricity and manage the waste. In this way, the waste is wealth. So friends, please motivate us to make new projects for you. If you have any idea and you feel some problems to materialize your idea, please share your idea with the dkdynamics, and dkdynamics try to help you in all the parameters. So please keep in touch and motivate us, like us, share and subscribe my channel with your friends. I'm coming back with more projects. Until then, goodbye.